You're watching Twinneration X. Welcome back to Twinneration X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with BeautyFix, and we're filming a few videos back to back. It's late at night. It's always
super late in the way that we got our boxes well, when did you get alert? Did we get that yesterday or the day before?
I have no idea.
Yeah, we're getting everything filmed
what the
late.
heck?
That's new.
Well, this is different.
That's new filler.
I don't know. Maybe
there's stuff on the inside.
Instead of having the shredded paper stuff inside, I guess it's
maybe that causes less powder on it and you can't be mad at them. Maybe they actually listen.
Thank you, BeautyFix Derm Store so that it's not making the stuff so powdery. That's true. That's very, very true, because I noticed that nothing's covered in black powder anymore.
And this month says playing favorites, ready to be obsessed. This month, Derm Store's experts bring you a specially curated selection of the picks we swear by to boost lips, brighten the delicate eye area, maintain healthy hair, and more. Dive in and find a new favorite of your own.
Okay. There is, I guess, some of the powder a little bit, but not as much. But this is Hum's Hair Sweet Hair Gummies with Benefits. I like Hum's products, so that's good.
Me too.
I have, I don't know what the one on my kitchen counter is. It's orange, and it's,
I have that.
I think for something, skin or hair, nails, something. Okay, second thing I'm pulling out is Murad's Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum.
And it says a brightening serum that fades discoloration and evens your complexion.
I need that for sure.
I feel like none of them do, though, as much as they say, we'll get rid of redness, and you're still mostly red.
I could show you guys,
Should I
grab what I currently use for my dark? No, anyway. Okay, so I have a Avenes, am I saying that right? Skin Recovery Cream. I'm not going to try to say the rest of it in any other language, because
it says moisturize and soothe skin with a thermal spring water-based face cream.
I think I have a lot of their sprays.
Lots of skincare stuff.
Okay, and then I have Emma Hardy's Moringa Light Cleansing Gel. Moringa.
And then it says, purify your skin day and night with a refreshing gel texture face wash.
And then, this thing's kind of crushed, but is it La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Serum?
Hyaluronic acid serum. It says hyaluronic acid powers.
The box is crushed.
Yeah. Hyaluronic acid powers this lightweight serum for dry, dull, and aging skin.
I'm trying to make sure there's something in it.
I'm sure there is. It's just skished.
Oh, is it
so tiny?
Jeez. I'm trying to push it back into shape. But yeah, it's in there. Okay, that's good.
There's so many other products. I mean, of course it's gonna get squished.
And then 100% pure coffee bean caffeine eye cream. I swear I have this sitting over there already. But
it says
one can go in a giveaway.
Yeah, it says caffeine-rich cream wakes up eyes and helps diminish puffiness and dark circles.
I guess I should say the one that I have sitting around somewhere I haven't opened, so that's why I mentioned it could go in a giveaway, because it hasn't been used. This could almost barely fit in there. It's okay, and then Dr. Brand's 3D Lip Plump Fix.
It says plump and soften lips with an AM primer and PM conditioning treatment.
And then the last thing, but good thing so far, is R & Company, or is it R Plus Company? I don't know. Suncatcher Power C Boosting Leave-In Conditioner.
That's cool. It says hydrates hair and protects against UV damage with vitamin C.
It's cute. So small. They're cute.
Good price, though. Is it 25?
I think it's 26, I think.
I like the vitamins.
I might be wrong.
I think the most. But if this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one I will link below. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.